So let's finish this lecture. And concerning the business issue, first the logic teaches that rationality is on the uncertainty of the life. Right? What's the uncertainty? The change. So if every social system has a degree, major or minor, of instability, then diversified investment in more than one system is a measure of security. Of course. Want the company or not, we live in an economical environment that is global. So, if you have different parts of this whole, right? And one is good and another not, diversify will permit you have more secure when the nature is of uncertainty. So, the second business reason, the internationalization process is an irreversible world tendency, right? Since the birth of mankind, but nowadays, this process, like science and technology, is more and more faster, right? So the development of the world is getting more and more faster. Expand across borders is not an option, but a competitive necessity. So if the Brazilian company don't acquire new foreign markets, then Brazilian company will lose the Brazilian market, right? Why? As I said, we live in a global environment. And the same applies to companies of any nationality, because such as in war, wins who is stronger. So, I'd like to say thank you for your attention, and well, if you can visit my production, you can see my curriculum vitae here, and you can direct contact me through this email concerning lectures and business. And look, try to find this book on Amazon. This is the first step that I studied to understand the Brazilian legal system. Right? This is the result of my study, this book. Course of Brazilian Tax Law, Limitation of the Power of Taxation in Brazil. You find it on Amazon. Thank you.